How's it going, Pokemon fans, trainers? This is your Chief Engineer Bill with the Pokemon Privateers. So over the weekend, I was visiting my girl up in, down in Oklahoma. So we went to a bunch of different places. This really cool place called Vintage Stock, and man, like they had a ton of stuff. I walked in the door and started geeking out, man. It was crazy. There's a whole lot of stuff there that I want to get, but we were looking for the Latios pin collections that they have out. Unfortunately, I went to like 5, 6 different places, and none of them had them. So actually, on my way back, I stopped by GameStop and finally found one that had one, and I was able to get my hands on 4 more. I also picked up this really sweet pop. Big Deadpool fans over here. And I really like this one. So I got that for her. So when I head back that way, I'll be dropping that off for her. But anyway, like I said, we had gotten 5. Maybe. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up some pack. Well, let's look at our promo cards real quick. I know we got 5 of these, but we got Latios and Latios. And they look really cool. Looks like Latios is actually chasing Latios if you put them together. And we got our cool little pins here. See if I can't get it to focus. Yeah, anyway. So we got all those little guys. Now let's go ahead and hop into the packs. Like I said, guys, there have been some pretty amazing pulls out of these packs so far. No complaints anyway. So we got our codes. Those are pins. Those are packs. Alright. So we have a Dark Energy. Darmanian, or Darmanitan, Switchcraft, Heatmore, Kangaskhan, Horsey, Corsola, Darumaka, Phoebos, a Victini Prism, and a Altaria Holo Rare. Obviously, there's going to be a Holo Rare in every single pack, since it is a subset, like Shining Legends. Alright, so we have a Fighting Energy, Fione, Crocodile, Milotic, Litten, Horsey, Darumaka, Corsola, Swablu, a Vecrom reverse, and a Vecrom holo rare. Okay then. Let's see. I think that. Double check all this stuff here. We had a. I think everybody is hunting for that gold Ultra Necrozma that's out. So I'm kind of hoping that we pull one. That'd be really sweet. The Tiger Lily pulled one. She got really lucky. Water Energy, Flygon, Salazzle, Switchraft, Horsey, Darumaka, Corsola, Swablu, Charmander. Man, this dude is adorable. I'm actually really hoping that I pull Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard out of here. Then we have a nice little reverse and a holo rare Charizard. Ooh. That works for me. I was hoping that I get. Alright, so I just need to pull a Charmander now. Let's set these guys off to the side over here. Set that to the side. Alright, so we have a Water Energy, Turtonator, Croconaw, Milotic, Zolandit, Swablu, Trapnich, Dratini, Horsey, a Lysander Prism. That's nice. Or Lance Prism, sorry, not Lysander, wow. A Lance Prism, and a Vecrom holo rare. So we got 2 prisms so far. 2 prisms, a couple holo rares, because you're going to get holo rares. Nothing too extravagant yet. Alright, so we have a Lightning Energy, a Xenia, Lapras, a Darmanitan, there we go, Darmanitan, Bagon, Wishy-Washy, Phoebos, Corsola, Jangmo-O, a reverse Linton, and a holo rare Komo-O. We were already at 10 minutes. Yeah, so we have a Steel Energy, Druddigon, Darmanitan, Seadra, Bagon, Swablu, Torchic, Vibrava, Dratini, a reverse Charmeleon, and a holo rare Altaria. Alright, well, I got a holo set of Charmander, Charizard, and Charmeleon. Said that in the wrong order, but it's alright. Okay, so we have a Steel Energy, Xenia, Lapras, Darmanitan, Swablu, Vibrava, Wishy-Washy, Salandit, Bagon, a reverse Fiery Flint, and a Dragonite GX. At least I pulled one GX out of here. I can't complain too much now. I was kind of getting worried there. We got 3. So that's a few more packs left. Yes, we have a Fire Energy, Flygon, Druddigon, Charmeleon, Charmander, Dratini, Trapnich, Wooper, Dratini, a reverse Swablu, and a Altaria Holo Rare. That's my third one of those. The premium collection boxes are going to be really sweet. I know that in a couple weeks, well actually no, 10 days I believe, we are getting the Elite Trainer boxes, and I'm going to get a couple of those. I think me and the captain are going to battle using one. We have a Dark Energy, Salazzle, Flygon, Dragon Talon, Corsola, Jangmo-o, Totodile, Dratini, Hakamo'o, a reverse Darumuka, and a holo rare Gyarados. Sorry guys, I'm like half asleep right now. I had a 10-hour drive yesterday. Got home at 2 in the morning. We are just waking up, so just kind of bear with me. Alright, so we have a Dark Energy, Combustion, Salazzle, Quagsire, Linton, Horsey, Darumaka, I don't know why I can't say that one, Corsola, Swablu, another Victini Prism, and a Blaine's Last Stand Holo Rare. Alright, so we have a Steel Energy, Combustion, Flygon, Turtonator, Wishy-Washy, Vibrava, Magikarp, Jangmo-o, Totodile, a reverse Wooper, and a Reshiram GX. I really need to get the sleeves up before I start to reach over there and grab them. A lot of cards to sleeve up. Alright guys, so we have a Lightning Energy, Combustion, Shelgon, Drampa, Dratini, Darumaka, Horsey, Feebas, Wishy-Washy, a reverse Shelgon, and a Hydreigon. Okay. Is a rare. 3 more packs, guys. 1 more pen collection to get through. So we have a Fire Energy, Fione, Fiery Flint, Dragon Talon, Litten, Dratini, a Darumaka, Horsey, Feebas, another Victini Prism, and a Blaziken Holo Rare. There went the energy. Oh man, that Blaziken is totally going in my dragon deck, or fire deck. It's going to be amazing. His ability is once during your turn before you attack, you may attach a fire energy from your discard pile to one of your bench Pokemon. Alright, so we have a Fire Energy, Crocodile, Seadra, Heatmore, Jangmo-O, Magikarp, Corsola, Swablu, Feebas, a Reverse Lapras, and another Hydreigon rare. Last pack, guys. Last pack magic. Kind of sucks. People have been pulling some pretty good stuff out of these. I mean, I'm not saying that I pulled bad stuff. It's just I wanted something else. Alright, so we have a Dark Energy, Fiery Flint, Xenia, Crocodile, Trapnich, Kangaskhan, Horsey, Corsola, a Darumaka, a Reverse Flygon, and another Hydreigon rare. Alright guys, so essentially our two big hits were Reshiram and Dragonite GX. So go ahead and check it out, see what we get out of our Elite Trainer boxes later, guys. So this is your Chief Engineer Bill with the Pokemon Privateer saying, see ya.